I don't get this. I need someone to help me with my physics assignment.
Introducing Nashin.
Hopefully I can find someone who can help me. Maybe I can meet someone well I'm at it. I hope I can find someone to help me with my physics assignment. Hey guys! Hello? Hello?
This guy walks into a bar and he goes like, I want some H2O. And the guy sitting next to him is like, I want some H2O too.
That's hilarious.
Good job, good job. Hey guys! Hey guys!
Can you feel the energy over me?
Hey guys! Guys! Hi, my name is Noshin, and these are the 5 types of people you'll meet in engineering. Hey guys! Do you think you can help me with my physics assignment?
Yo, can't you see I'm working on my future car?
Hey man, can I borrow a screwdriver? Oh, sorry, am I interrupting something?
Well,
Yo, guys, everything good?
yeah.
I need that screwdriver.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry, man.
Yeah, working, everyone. Finally excited for this car. Can't believe it's actually happening.
That's so cool. So, how does it work?
Allow me to explain. Basically, it converts a light into electricity which powers the motor. It's really good.
That's some next level technology. Really great. Impressive. But do you think help me with my physics assignment is due tomorrow?
Alright. Let me take a look. Have you ever looked around you at all the countless devices and machines that make up our everyday lives and wondered, how do these work? Or, where do these come from? Whether you're curious about technology and machinery, or if you just want to grasp how physics has an implication on our everyday lives, or if you just want to create the coolest gadgets available, then mechanical engineering may be the choice for you. Mechanical engineering is one of the broadest and most historic disciplines in engineering. It spans concepts of mechanics, kinematics, thermodynamics, structural analysis, electricity, and material science. Mechanical engineers design machinery, medical equipment, aircraft, robotics, weapons, heating and cooling systems, and countless others. Mechanical engineering is interconnected with almost every scientific field in one way or another. So, if you're looking to be part of a diverse discipline with countless opportunities spanning the breadth of our scientific world, then you may just have found what you've been looking for.
So many notes!
I'm sorry.
Want to reduce what we're putting into the system.
Hey!
Like, hold on, I'm in a really important talk. Yeah, we got to reduce that, and what we can actually do is we can get 50% more out of that. We're optimizing it. Hold on, Mom, I got another call. Hi. Well, no, don't worry about the celery. No, sorry, boss. I'm just talking to my mom here.
Why does red mean stop and green mean go? Why are the chairs you are sitting on uncomfortable? If you ever ask these questions to yourself, then 1, you are overthinking life, and number 2, you're an industrial engineer. Their field of focus revolves around 2 words: user-friendly. Optimizing and increasing the efficiency of systems to make the lives easier for you is what they do for a living. They are like the supermen of every object you use, from your coffee mug to your cell phone. They make sure that the design fits the need of an average human being. They work with the people and for the people, more like the business aspect of engineering. Some streams that you could focus on include human factors, information engineering, operation research, and bioengineering. If you enjoy a little bit of programming, business, and a lot of probability, then this is definitely the field for you.
Mom, don't worry about that. We can optimize it with pizza. It'll be so much better. And yes, we can probably change the code too. Yeah, no, that's what I'm saying.
Excuse me?
Yes? Are you the lady monitoring my project? Oh, I've been waiting over an hour for you. Oh, never mind then. My bad. Hey, you want to take a look at my research project? It's pretty cool.
Sure.
I mean, like, we, the biomedical and engineering sector, are applying chemical engineering principles to biological phenomena. We're like focusing on topics of medical interest and biomedical research. My research particularly focuses on topics like stem cell biology, cell development, tissue differentiation, and a host of other things. It's really pretty interesting stuff.
That's really cool. Do you think that maybe you could help me with my physics assignment?
That's what I knew. It looks really good on you. Is it from the Fall 2013 collection? Did you know that the fibers in that sweater are chemically engineered to form strong networks? Isn't that amazing? Hey Val, don't you have something like this?
Huh?
Don't you have something like that?
Well, I'm working on a fiber project, but I'm working on wood fiber.
Hey, Val, can you come over here for a second?
Sure.
I think the DNA is finally separating in electrolysis experiment.
Yeah. Yeah, it looks like it.
Oh, electrolysis experiment. Maybe I'll take a look after that after I'm done my physics assignment.
Physics? We don't speak of physics in the chem lab. Come look at our DNA instead.
Do you think you could take a look maybe at my physics assignment?
What's this? You know, this looks like pretty boring stuff, really. You know what's more interesting though? My research. I mean, we're developing biomaterials for use in tissue engineering and drug delivery applications. Isn't that exciting? I mean, we're controlling cell growth and differentiation using chemicals. That's like insane. We're creating stimuli-responsive, biodegradable, and biostable polymers. Like, impressive, isn't it? More than any engineering discipline, chemical engineering deals with systems and states of changes. From nuclear energy to water purification, chemical engineers design and refine industrial processes that shape our daily lives. The University of Toronto focuses its curriculum on chemical manufacturing, but students can choose a speciality in upper years and to lead them down a number of diverse paths. If chemi is known for anything at the University of Toronto, it's their countless labs. But what's considered a bore to some is also valuable hands-on experience to others. In addition to the fundamentals introduced to all engineers in first year, chems learn about plant design and even get to build and test their own components. Boasting one of the largest faculties and one of the highest percentages of women, you'll never want for study buddy or fun discipline event as a student in chemical engineering. So come on down to campus. Do you realize the implications of this research?
Okay, that sounds fantastic. Maybe I'll come back to help you out. But it looks like I'm not going to get any help with my physics assignment.
Alright, I'll see you later. Yeah.
Yo, check out those beams. They look solid, right?
It's pretty sick, man.
That is so cool, but check this rock I found. I think it's metamorphic. I just need to perform a few tests on it. Look at all those layers. Wow.
Psst, men are engineers and they're rocks. Hey, yo, look what I got here. I think I found a new material composition. Prop friends will be so proud.
Are you guys busy?
Busy? Yeah.
Busy? Nah, we're just chilling. You need help with something?
Yeah, so I have a physics assignment tomorrow and I don't know how to start question 3.
Wow. You for real? How can you not know how to do this? Like,
Ridiculous, man. Where are you from?
alright. You see, So first of all, you start with like a free body diagram, right?
But that's wrong.
Trust me. I got like 50 on this. Solid 50 as a pass. I know what I'm saying.
Yo, I got a big rock. Big rock. Wow, great. What's this? How can you not know how to do this? Let's see. So, mineral engineering. Here are a couple of things you should know. Rocks, and definitely more rocks. As any other engineering program, mineral engineering is no walk in the park. You will be doing a lot of math and physics problems, so get ready for those static problems. You will also be going on interesting field trips like survey camps and mines to apply those min skills of yours. How cool is that? You have probably heard that mineral engineers make a lot of money, and that may be true because we go on weird places such as Narnia or the mines of Moria. You can also find some pretty decent jobs in Toronto as well. So if you love math and physics, and most importantly, love rocks, mineral engineering is the place for you. You got 50 on this, that's better than me, I got 30.
Hi. Want to see my research on nanomaterials and nanotechnology? I'm developing an electrochemical synthesis for nanostructured metals, alloys, composites. You may know that these, actually may not know, these materials have outstanding physical, chemical, mechanical properties that you don't see in normal materials, conventional materials, and they have great application in, say, for example, the aerospace and automotive industry. So it's really cool. You want to come check it out. Have you ever wondered why a paperclip breaks after you twist it around many times? If so, you may want to consider finding yourself a hobby. But more importantly, you should consider material science engineering. This fascinating branch of engineering deals with all different materials on the macroscopic and microscopic levels. It will explore the physics behind what gives materials strength, the benefits of polymers, how to adjust the material's resistivity to temperature, and how stress and shear forces affect different materials. Don't let all these details stress you out though. It's lots of fun. You will have many different areas to specialize in. These range from designing the latest smartphone screen, making sure it won't crack when dropped, to working on the latest military fighter jets, and making them invisible to detect by radar. Whatever your interest though, you can be sure to find something you love in material science engineering.
Yo, man.
Yeah, you want to go?
Yeah, bro. Like, honestly, like, why are you showing off your research, bro?
You can take it outside.
Like,
Yo,
alright.
You can take it
Alright,
outside.
I'll meet you outside. Alright. Yeah. I'm gonna.
Yeah.
Calm down. Let's like work out this circle thing.
Alright. So like I was saying, it's all about the moment. You gotta start with the moment. That's how you find out everything else. It's like, once you find out this moment for this one over here. Civil engineering is the oldest and first stream of engineering, starting from the very beginning of time. The work of a civil engineer transcends over the ages and can be seen as the foundation for all other disciplines of engineering. As the title suggests, a civil engineer works for people, forming bridges between nature and humanity, to fill in society's wombs of needs by erecting long-standing, sturdy buildings. Long story short, civil engineering is the bomb, and at the end of the day, when the work's all done, you can say they sure know how to raise the roof.
No, but I asked the professor.
Alright, guys, honestly. If you're safe here, put up your hand. Oh, look at that. Okay, this is a safe question. So definitely, whatever I say here, guys, you guys gotta take my word for it. Like,
but our professor said, first, draw a free body diagram. Free the body. And then sum of moments equals 0, sum of forces equals 0, then we're in business. That's how you solve this problem.
Never mind. Hey guys, what are you up to?
Oh no, I can't compound this. Either that or my logic's wrong.
Here, can you explain your code to me? Lines 56 to 98.
Oh well, I'm using recursive functions to solve these things, and this algorithm uses backtracking to get the results. I call this function
looking right at all. You should use a while loop for that part because that will make your program run much more efficiently. It's much faster.
Hey, so what are you doing? Oh, is that a computer game? Can I play?
What? I'm making a computer game. This is the microcontroller for my circuit board that I'm going to attach to my game console. See, here's the schematic. It's going to connect right here. What are you doing here?
Oh, I was wondering if you could help me with my physics assignment.
Question 1 wrong. And question 2. And question 3? Here, let me just... Electrical and computer engineering is certainly the discipline for students interested in circuits as well as programming. And while they are very similar in first and second year, there are a lot of options in third and fourth year to specialize. Some of these options include working on computer processors and embedded circuits, all the way to designing compilers or creating algorithms for telecommunication systems. Electrical and computer engineers are involved in designing almost all of the modern conveniences we take for granted. Without us humble ECEs, we wouldn't have cell phones, PCs, or software. We wouldn't be able to send emails and we'd be stuck with postcards. And we wouldn't have even the most basic calculators or power grids. With such a broad field to go into, there's a reason why ECE is one of the most popular disciplines at U of T. Here.
Oh, but
Done.
I needed help
It was
with...
easy.
Okay, never mind. Thanks a lot. These guys can be so weird sometimes. I guess the Civ guy was kind of cute. The odds are good. The goods are on. Welcome to engineering.
Oh man, it's so hot here. I wish I had a protein shake or something. Oh, thanks.
There you go.
So, your heart is set on the sciences. Well, here's some questions you're probably going to want to ask yourself before you apply. So, you're not exactly sure what you want to study. Can you still try out different things? Lucky for you, you don't have to be a scientist. The Faculty of Arts and Science, it's kind of like a Russian gymnast. It's really flexible. So you can do a major in biology, and then you can do a minor in French, or you can do a double major in whatever you want. You also have a wide variety of electives to choose from. These include things like anthropology, history, physics, if you still want science, or music even. Do you want to spend 4 years telling people you're one day going to be a doctor? But more importantly, do you understand this will be a very long and difficult journey towards the career of your dreams? Medical school. So the biggest question in everyone's mind is, are there any other paths with a science degree than med school? Well, luckily for you, not everyone wants to go to medical school, which is understandable. Research is a big part of the sciences, and when you don't have access to the leading researchers in the field, who are, by the way, your professors, why not try it out? U of T is a research-intensive university, which means most of your professors are leading researchers in their respective fields. You'll get pretty good exposure to different types of research from literally your first day at university. Yeah, the profs love to emphasize on what they're working on. And if you didn't have any of these questions, don't worry about it. You can still enjoy and study life sciences. Whoa, I got man, these things are so hard to read. Well, I probably got to get to my Polish studies class.
This is the real mech thing to do.
Oh yeah.
You're bringing